Weloop Neo Smartband. It's a gorgeous fitness tracker with a GPS feature. So, how does it work? Let's find out. Weloop Neo comes in this little tiny compact box. On the back, it has highlights like GPS, dynamic heart rate monitor, etc. In the box, we find an English manual and the tracker itself. You may wonder where the usual USB charging cable is, how we're going to charge it. Well, no worries. You can press the buttons on the back of the strap and the entire band will detach. Now that the band is off, you can see the end with the two small metal slits. That's the charging port. Just insert it to a laptop and it will charge. The Neo features a 0.85-inch always-on color IPS touchscreen. There is a physical button on the right to turn the power on, off, and select other tasks. On the back, we can see the protruding HR module. That's great because it will not attract to dust. Overall, the design feels lightweight and elegant. It just looks gorgeous, both for males and females. Scan the QR code on the manual and download the Weloop app. You have to register an account the first time you log in. Input all the necessary personal information like weight, height, and then you will come to the connection page. Select Neo, turn on Bluetooth on your phone, and connect. The app is pretty clean and simple. The first page is Goal, which you can see information like how many steps you've taken and how far you are from achieving your goals. You can also see the amount of calories burned, heart rate, etc. It even basically shows all your activity every minute you wear it. You can also see your month or week's activity by clicking the icon on the top left or right. Don't be lazy, exercise every day. Second is the workout. It records each time you save a workout. We'll get to that later. The third page is the device. Here you can set all kinds of reminders, notifications, etc. And last is Me. You can see your weekly steps, the best days for exercise, best weeks, and also you can change your profile or log out of the account here. Okay, enough about the app. Let's move to the Weloop Neo band. The interaction is very intuitive. Just by swiping up and down, you will see the interface, steps, heart rate, weather. By swiping left or right, you will see more details about each feature. Like under the steps, swipe left, you can see how much calories you burned, floors you climbed, and the distance you've traveled. Under the heart rate section, let me show you how to measure your heart rate. Just wear it under the heart rate interface and it will measure automatically. That easy. Swipe, you can even get a whole chart from the last 2 hours of your heartbeat. Under any interface, short-click the right button to enter the sports mode. Here you can find the treadmill, outdoor running, riding, swimming, each rest of the modes. Select one to enter, just click the button to start. Once you finish, long press for about 5 seconds to save this workout. Here I'd like to introduce you more about the GPS feature that comes with it. Go to an open place, enter the sports mode, and select a mode with a GPS feature like running mode. Wait until the GPS icon turns green and you will feel the vibration, then you're ready to go. Once you finish running, long press the button for about 5 seconds to save. When you open the app, you can view the path in which you traveled. Weloop Neo Smartband by far is one of the best GPS fitness trackers that I've used. I'm very much impressed by its overall performance. The gorgeous, super responsive IPS color screen is always on, by the way. You can see it's crystal clear even under the direct sunlight. The line axis motion sensor makes features like the dynamic heart rate monitor, pedometer, and swimming tracker even more accurate than other bands. The built-in GPS chip enables you to record the motion trajectory and the change of altitude, and it creates an exclusive report of your data. Did I mention it features a 3 ATM waterproof rating? Swim or even dive with it. It records everything for you. Guys, thanks for watching. For more information about this Weloop Neo Smartband, you can check the link in the description. I'm Sammy. See you next time.